And Rayson Chiclag from the outside. Fabiola down on the inside. Nice and easy. Also rushing up Ismail Lucky One. Transformer down on the inside alongside Executive Order. Sunday Street and Manila Smile is the early trailer by about 8 or 9 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Chiclag by some 2 lengths, followed by Fabiola. My Lucky One racing in third from the outside. Transformer down on the inside, nice and easy. Executive Order racing 6 from the outside. Sunday Street and Manila Smile. Nearing the far turn, Chiclag by only a length and a half. Fabiola is running by Darrell. It's the Chiclag, Fabiola, nice and easy. My Lucky One, Executive Order. As they race the last 500, Fabiola is sneaking by Darrell. Chiclag on the outside. My Lucky One. As they race the final corner, Fabiola is now the leader. And Chiclag, nice and easy. Executive Order on the outside. But still, Fabiola is still leading by a length and a half. Nice and easy. My Lucky One, Executive Order. Fabiola, Executive Order is on the outside. It's now Executive Order. And finally, Executive Order. Fabiola, nice and easy. My Lucky One. Transformer, Chiclag, Manila Smile, and Sunday.